Right, question 37. Use the binomial theorem to expand this. So we want a plus b to the power 4 first. Okay. And you need your Pascal's triangle all the way to 4. So this will be a to the power 4 plus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4 a b cubed plus b to the power 4. So this now becomes x plus 3 over x to the power 4. So your a becomes x, your b becomes 3 over x. So subbing it in, you have x to the power 4 here plus 4. You have x cubed there times b, which is 3 over x. You have 6 a squared there, so that's x squared. B squared then will be this all squared. Plus then 4 a b cubed plus then power 4. So when you simplify this then, that stays as x to the power 4 of course. Now here you've got x cubed divided by x, so that becomes x squared. So it'll be, and 4 times 3 is 12, so 12x squared. Here now, if you think about it, you're going to square, aren't you, this? So that becomes, if you square this, you're going to square the top and the bottom. So that becomes 9 times 6 is 54. And the x squared here, and that becomes x squared, they will cancel. Okay? So you're just left with 54. Here now you've got a cube. So cube this is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Times that by 4 is 108. That becomes x cubed. That's x. So x on the top, x cubed on the bottom. That will go, and this will become a x squared. Okay, this will lead to an x squared. So you end up having 108 over x squared. And then here then 3 to the power 4, well, that becomes 81 and over x to the power 4. Okay. Part B, it says use the coefficient of x squared in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power n is 55. Given that n is a positive integer, find the value of n. Now when they give you power n, right, you can't use Pascal's triangle. What you can use in your formula booklet is the result for this when you've got 1 plus x to the power n. Okay. Oh, I'm reading the wrong question here, aren't I? Part B, 1 plus 2x, that's the next question. It's 1 plus 2x to the power n. Okay, same idea though, right? This is what we want to work out. 1 plus 2x power n, coefficient of x squared is 760. But again, you use the result, right, from the formula booklet, 1 plus x power n from your formula booklet, which is 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 over 1 dot 2. That just means 1 times 2, x squared. Okay, now in this case, they want 1 plus 2x, don't they? Okay. In the question we've got. So here you just simply replace x with 2x. So this will be n times 2x plus then n minus 1 over 1 times 2 just means it's just 2 of course, and you're going to square that then 2x squared. So this becomes 1 plus 2nx, put the number first. Now when you work this out, of course when you square that you get 4x squared. 4 then divided by 2, 4 on the top, 2 on the bottom. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we 2, n minus 1, x squared. Okay, let's go back to see what they're asking for. They're saying the coefficient of x squared is 760. In other words, the coefficient here, this stuff in front of the x squared, this is 760. Okay. Now, of course, we could multiply this out, and I think we'll do that in a minute, but what we could do to start with is, because you've got a 2 here, you could take that over and divide. Okay, because you times it by 2 here, take it over and divide by 2. So you have equals to 380, and then multiply out. Get it all into one side, and you've got yourself a quadratic. You might be thinking this quadratic is impossible to work out, but usually the numbers they give you revolve around square numbers. If you think about what square number is close to 380, of course 20 squared is 400. Okay, So then, because it's less than the 400, it's actually 20, isn't it? It's 20 less than 400. Of course, 19 then times 20. Okay, 1 less will give me 380. So in my bracket, I'm going to have 19 and 20. Okay, and of course, because it's negative n, it's got to be negative the 20 plus the 19. So n plus 19 then will equal 0, or n minus 20 equals 0. This means then n equals minus 19, or this means n equals 20. Alright? Now n has to be positive. It says in the question, it says given that n is positive, so that means this is impossible. Okay? So therefore n equals 20.